Step inside, go behind the scenes, discover what drives American Key Supply.
Step by step, piece by piece, piece by piece, piece by piece.
Every refurbished product arrives with a history. Some show years of wear, some have broken components, some simply need a little attention before they're ready to work again. The goal isn't to make them look new. The goal is to make them work like they're supposed to. That means inspecting every component, replacing damaged parts, testing functionality, and making sure each piece meets the standards customers expect. It's careful work, detail-oriented work, the kind of work where small things make a big difference.
We got a lot of large kits coming up. I believe I can't remember if we have a summer sale, but it's time to fill up the inventory with all of our general goods, which is not half bad, man. As of right now, working on these Chevy GMC flips. Really simple for the shells. Thankfully, I'm on the back end of the process. After I do all this, put in all the batteries, I just got to do some frequency testing. So we have all the stuff that we're checking through for our checklist every single time we go through, and make sure that when we do our builds, how these are okay or completed, and or up the code for what the item is. Thankfully, these, if I remember correctly, this is a level 1 kit, so it's a very simple kit to do. All you have to do is take the board, slip it right inside of the new shell or for these no logos, and then stuff a battery in, and you're pretty much done. The other stuff are from other kits that I'm currently working on, so rather busy sometimes.
Not every solution comes straight from a factory. Sometimes the right answer is bringing something back to life. A replacement shell, a new blade, a fresh chip, a component that gives an old remote a second chance to do its job. For locksmiths, that can mean getting a customer back on the road faster. For shops, it can mean having another option when inventory is limited or OEM parts are hard to find. It's not about replacing what's new, it's about restoring what's still useful, and knowing the difference takes experience. Because before a product can be repaired, rebuilt, or shipped, someone has to make sure it's the right fit in the first place. Experience matters, not just in the products on the shelf, but in the people behind them.
Because the original key works. I would throw on there a real quick, do a quick scan on it, see if anything's going there. Because something could be tripping it, so it's not allowing it to go in.
It's got enough power.
But,
you have an Autel Universal on hand by chance?
An Autel Universal Prox?
Autel Universal.
I think they're all proxies.
Yeah, of course, yes.
So maybe you can quickly generate a dash remote real quick for the RAM and see if that'll program in. It might not have clutch options, something like that.
13 Sportage. Okay, so I'm trying to get the blades for you. They're saying that I guess there's a low set and a high set blade, and they're afraid of, depending on which one we send you, it might not be compatible with the shell that you have. And I think I only have one version of the blade.
Just make sure it's a 1500.
Still do the same chip. Yeah, it's still the same chip.
Oh, is it? Okay.
3500.
Yeah.
Stay on the phone with me 1 second. I'm pulling up the menu right now. That way I can avoid having to call back. If you can.
No worries.
That console has the same blade.
So do we need to have?
The difference is because there's a high set and a low set. It's the same blade though, you know what I mean? Same heavy blade.
1 second here, Sebastian. I haven't seen you in a while.
Nothing here.
Oh, I know. I haven't been there. That's my point.
Too busy buying guns, Jack.
Yeah. Well, I know other people that are like so busy, hobnobbing with celebrities, doing TV shows, reality shows. Sebastian, these people go on these shows because, they're looking for attention.
I've heard something about that.
Yeah,
Hey, I am the celebrity, okay? Let's get that straight.
I got it set. Let me get back here in the vehicle. Let me shut it off. I've got the other bomb way out of there. And, let me turn
And if you want to know who the locksmith is, you'll see that right there. Jack's getting senile on us.
Say what?
Of course, it always looks easier when someone else is doing it. So this time, I stepped up to the challenge to learn a few of the basics myself. Turns out, there's a reason the professionals make it look so easy. And trust me, it's not.
So we're here in Refurbs today, and today we're gonna learn how to replace a chip and a blade on a key.
First, we're gonna open the cover, and then we're gonna unscrew there's 4 screws right on this remote. Right, 4 and 4 screw for the battery. Okay, now you have to open right here. So make sure you don't hit that one because that will break the
thing.
So right here.
Okay.
See? Now we just have to pull this out. The board is right behind.
Okay.
Right there. So now we have to use the heat gun to take this out because these are glued in.
Oh, wow.
Turn this on.
Is it just hot air? And so it loosens,
It's gonna melt.
loosens
It's
the
gonna
glue.
melt that.
It melts the glue, like glue off, right?
Yeah, it's gonna soften the glue. So you're looking at it. It's trying to melt the plastic over the chips. Now we pull it out. There you go. There's the chips right there. See that? Pulled off.
Oh, wow.
98, not the other day. Gonna put the chip in, facing that way. See that curve cut right there? And inside there were same mold as that. So
Just right into
throw
that
it in.
little curve, yeah.
All right. Now we can put this back in. Make sure that rubber thing goes in that hole. And then this key blade turn on the opposite. Yeah. And then this, don't forget
The little
the key thing. Then snap it in. That's it. We're done.
That's it. And then you just
Now
put,
we
like,
screw
put all
back
screws
in.
back in.
Put a brand new battery. Okay,
Good to go.
good to go. Now the blade. The special tools to pull out the pin right there. There's the pin.
Nice.
There's the blade, and now we didn't need to get the blade. Oh, sorry. And new pin. So it's a curve also, right? So you have to look for that thing curved inside too, so it matches.
Okay.
All right, you see it all the way through the hole.
Yeah.
Now we have to just put a pin in it.
In that little hole.
Since this pin is way over the oversized, we have to crimp a little bit.
He's shortening it.
To make it send over. There you go. Okay. Now we have to push it down. There you go.
Boom.
Then more. That's it.
Hey, there you go. And then
Now
you finish
just put
screwing off.
all the screw in together, and we're done.
All right. I gotta try not to
You wanna
screw this
try?
up. Yeah, I gotta try not to screw this up. Now I get to do one. Okay. Step one. I'll pop it open right
Pop
here.
it open. There.
There you go.
There you go.
How do I get it all the way out? Oh, there.
There you go.
Okay. Now
Now
screws, right?
unscrew. There's your tools right there.
Okay. So there's a top one right here.
There's 4 right, top and bottom.
So now
Pop it open on the back side.
right here.
Yeah, You don't need to put it all the way in, just a little bit, and you're fine ready.
This tool's bigger than my hand. Boom.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
There
Hey,
you go.
everything came off. Oh, shoot. There's a lot of little parts that go everywhere. Okay.
Yeah.
Throw this off.
Pull that out.
Okay.
Now we have to
We have to go to the hot air.
Hot.
All right, so I turn it on,
turn it on and take out.
and then I just
And
point it at it,
wait for 550 degrees.
and then I just point it at it.
Point it at it. Yeah.
550. It's gonna automatically go there. That's some hot air.
There you go. Point at it until it melts a little bit, and then pop it out. Okay, now
Stop.
pull it out. Stop and pull it out while it's still soft.
How do I pull it out? It's like
Pop it. Pop it.
that part's hard.
I know.
I can't do it.
That's the hard part.
Yeah.
Popping it out. See, it's already hard.
Yeah.
Already turns hard
Dang.
again. So
Try again.
try again. Okay.
It's a lot harder than it looks.
Because this is your first time. That's why. I've
The first time for everything.
I've been doing it for a long time. So
Yeah, it's my first day on the job.
all the way in.
He came with the building.
See,
Hey.
this is paper, so just pop it out.
Oh. All right. Should have known that. All right. So I take this curved side, right?
Yes.
Like that, and it goes in like that. Okay. Oh, it turned sideways on me. Is that right?
Yeah, that's right. Just
right.
push it a little bit in.
Where's my little tool? There you go.
Yeah. There.
Perfect.
Perfect.
That was a lot easier than popping it out.
And then
Okay.
the board, the rubber, and the board in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and make sure that. Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Now that.
The frame. Go like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Next,
Next.
battery. Right?
No, you have to unscrew this first.
Oh, okay.
Forget
Unscrew
to
those for
unscrew
the
that.
battery.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And it's nice if it's only 10, but it's 88.
Oh man. You're gonna do 88 of these? Oh my lord. All right. Now
All right, now
you pop this on with the battery.
put this back in there. So it went pop out, right? But this is the way to put it in. That way,
Okay.
and
The spring.
spring that way, because this have a little tab in there.
Mm-hmm.
The other one doesn't. See?
Okay.
Now we have to put it in there. See,
Okay, and then turn it
turn
inward. Like
counterclockwise.
Counterclockwise.
There. See,
that.
there you go.
Okay.
Now there's a.
Right.
Now you have to hold that. It's gonna pop out again,
Okay.
and then put it in right there. There you go. Snap in.
Snap.
Snap in.
Wait.
Keep on going. See, top and bottom, all the way.
Oh, everything.
Yeah, everything. There you go. See.
Oh.
There. All right. Now you
Is it in?
yeah, it's in.
Okay.
It's in.
Okay.
Okay. Now check if it
Boom.
works.
Hey.
There you go.
Okay.
Now you know what to do now. Just put that back in.
Okay.
Same way. Then
Put the battery.
The screw. Oh yeah, the battery. Check it out if it's work. Goes in the terminal first before. Then snap in.
Okay, I see it. And this little
And then
groove.
go snap in there. Back slide it back in. There you go.
Ah, there we go. Now we test it.
Now you test it.
Boom. Success. Now we do these ones first, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's screw it back. Oh. All right.
Now the back cover.
And then the back cover.
Snap in.
Snap, crackle, pop. Bam.
Now
Oh, yeah, this part.
So, see that? That way.
We push it through there.
Push it through there. There you go.
Voila. Now we got to put a new one. So what do I do with this?
Check, pull it out.
Oh, it just comes right out. No, it doesn't come just right out.
Okay, which way? That way. Now, put in the pin.
Dang it. Tiny little pieces.
Yeah. Try this one.
You want to try a different one? See if it'll work better.
It will stand up like that. Just a little bit.
Nope.
Also, that's the hard part.
Yeah. This and the hot air one. Oh, okay.
In the middle part. Yeah.
Oh! Oh, it's so close.
Come. And then push it down.
Yeah. He's got it down. You're hired.
And then push it a little bit more with the pin. So
You gotta go.
there you go.
Push it. And that's how you do it. I
That's how
didn't.
you do it.
Boom! And then I do this part and take all the credit.
Yeah.
I did good. I did real good. And that's all. Thank you so much.
Well, come back Monday.
No, we're not coming back. You guys do some great work here.
In this department, success isn't measured by what gets noticed. It's measured by what doesn't. The key works, the remote functions, the customer moves on with their day, and another product gets the chance to do what it was designed to do in the first place. This team makes it happen. Piece by piece, Refurbs makes it work. It's measured by what doesn't. The key works, the remote functions, the customer moves on with their day, and another product gets the chance to do what it was designed to do in the first place. Thanks to this team, piece by piece, Refurbs makes it work.